Hey everyone, if you're getting a QuickBooks login failed error and can't access your account, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. So, yeah, just follow these simple steps and you should be back in within minutes. All right, first things first, double check your email and password. I mean, even a small typo can cause login issues, so just re-enter everything carefully. If you're still stuck, go ahead and reset your password. Click on Forgot Password, follow the steps, and create a new secure password. This usually fixes most login errors. Now, if you're using QuickBooks Online, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. So sometimes old data can block the login process, and clearing it gives you a fresh start. Another quick fix is to switch browsers or use incognito mode. Yeah, this helps rule out any extensions or saved data causing the issue. Make sure your internet connection is stable and also check if QuickBooks servers are down. I mean, if there's a server issue, you might just need to wait a bit. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes block login access. Okay, so if you're using a VPN or strict firewall, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes these can interfere with QuickBooks login servers. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix the QuickBooks login failed error. Try each step one by one, and you should be able to log in without any problems. And if this helped, feel free to check out more QuickBooks fixes. Hey everyone!